Hey everyone, I'm Saji here. The Cosmos DB Agent Kit is now generally available and it's about to become the fastest way to write production-ready Azure Cosmos DB code. One command, that's all it takes. The Agent Kit is years of Cosmos DB engineering experience built into GitHub Copilot and other coding agents. It includes SDK patterns, partition key design, indexing strategies, all baked into your editor. It doesn't just write queries, it also writes correct code. Here is a real scenario. The service creates a new Cosmos DB client on every single request, classic Andy pattern which I've seen from multiple customers. Let me ask the Agent Kit to fix it. It catches the issues, refactors into singleton client, add proper error handling, and keeps the same API shape. Production grade fix in seconds. But it goes even deeper. I asked about the partition key design. Should I stick with tenant ID if I need cross tenant queries? In strategy, same thing. It looks at my query patterns and tells me exactly where composite indexes needs to be added and what to include. Stuff that usually require a senior engineer and a whiteboarding session. It includes SDK fixes, as I mentioned, indexing optimization, and so on. The Cosmos DB Agent Kit brings expert level guidance directly into your development workflow. No context switching, no doc deep dives. It's generally available today. Install it with one command and start building applications with more confidence. Thank you.